Chris Everdeen, and today I want to share with you how I made this pair of plain jeans into this Disney-fied Mickey Mouse pair. Now, before we begin, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by SHEIN, and they're kind enough to send me a bunch of pairs of jeans for the upcoming fall, as well as a number of other really fun items that I'm going to share with you later. That will be linked in the description box below, along with my special code ChrisLeverdeen3, which you could use at checkout for 50% off your entire order. But with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's take it back. Originally, I got this pair of jeans with Mickey Mouse patches all over them, and I thought the design was really cute, but the fit itself was awful. Just awful. Now, if you have watched any of my previous videos regarding denim hauls, you already know that I cannot stand skinny jeans. So I went ahead and cut up the original pair of jeans so I could reuse the patches on another pair. But the thing was, it took me a while to actually replace all my skinny jeans because for years, my friends, all that was sold in stores were skinny jeans. So I was stuck with skinny jeans if I wanted to wear any jeans at all. So I finally decided to just replace all of my skinny jeans now that I discovered that not all jeans need to be skinny jeans. Like, you could actually get a different cut. But for some reason in my mind, since I grew up in the skinny jean era, I was like, oh, all jeans have to be skinny jeans. Otherwise, you know, you're not actually wearing real jeans. But no. I have now realized that wide leg jeans are my favorite. But anyway, I replaced all the skinny jeans with jeans that I actually love, which again are wide leg jeans. Oh, a million times better than literally any other fit. I mean, boot cut and flare are also really fun, but not in comparison to wide leg jeans. Those are the winners in my heart. Anyway, I didn't want to DIY any of the new jeans that I got, but now that SHEIN sent me these ones, oh, I'm so down. So I was between either this pair or this lighter pair of wide leg jeans, but ultimately I went with a darker wash because I ended up really liking the light wash denim and I wanted to keep it to, you know, wear it as regular jeans. So I decided that this pair gets the honor of being the Mickey pants. So since I ripped these patches off of another pair of jeans, I can't just iron them on or anything, and I really don't want to glue them on because one, it might get messed up in the wash. Two, it runs a risk of, you know, it just falling off after a while. And three, if I happen to want to remove the patches again, there would be no way I could save these jeans. I would literally have to cut them out. So sewing it is. I arranged the patches throughout the pair of jeans, and once I knew where I wanted to place them, I made little markings outlining where I wanted the patches to go, because once I start sewing them, they are going to like move around and stuff, and I want them to be like tilted in the specific way that I placed them. So I made outlines, but you could also just like pin the patches in place if you don't want to have to worry about that. It would have probably been way easier and more convenient to do that, but I didn't think about that. So make sure that if you have pins, use them. After painstakingly sewing every single patch onto this pair of jeans, I was done. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Super easy DIY. I guess the hardest part actually is finding the patches, because I was looking to see if I could just buy patches like these, and yo, patches are so expensive and they're usually like really small. They're not like these like big ones that I found, you know, on another pair of jeans. I can't find big ones anywhere, and even the small ones are like $8 to $20 each. And I just think that's insane. But anyway, that's how I made my Mickey jeans, and I love them, and I can't wait to wear them to Disneyland soon. And speaking of outfits that I can't wait to wear to Disneyland, I also got this pair of ripped light wash jeans because I love me a good ripped jean. I'm telling you, after discovering the superiority that is wide leg jeans, I've been obsessed, and I actually don't hate wearing jeans now. Before, I used to hate it, but now I'm like, you know what? Jeans are fun and comfy because they are wide leg and not skinny, and I don't have to peel myself out of skinny jeans anymore. But yes, I am still very much into colorful denim as well, especially because I'm known for putting together character-inspired looks on TikTok and Instagram, which you should totally follow me. It's at Crystal Everdeen on both Instagram and TikTok. And yes, colorful pants just make it so fun and easy to style themed outfits. So I got this orange/coral pair, as well as this pair of ripped purple jeans, which I didn't even think of before, but now looking at it, they're both good Halloween colors too. And Halloween season is right around the corner, so you know I will be using these for some spooky looks. Last denim item that they sent to me was this pair of overalls, and oh, I already have a video idea for these, and I think it's going to be super duper cute. And again, you can find more costume/character inspired outfits on my TikTok and Instagram at Crystal Everdeen. But yeah, these are so cute. There's a bunch of different outfits I could already think of with these that do correlate with Halloween time, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And yeah, the last two items in this haul have literally nothing to do with anything that I just showed you. Everything else was like denim related, and these two are not, but they're still lots of fun. And one of them is this colorful cardigan that I really like, and I actually already have one that's nearly identical, so I'm thinking like maybe I could just like DIY this one to make it different than the other one, but at the same time I'm not sure, because again, it is really cute as it is as well. Lastly, we have probably my favorite dress at the moment. I would love to have this dress in like 5 different colors because, oh my gosh, it is just so gorgeous. The fit is fantastic. It has a sweetheart neckline, and the skirt, oh my gosh, you guys, this skirt, y'all. Just look at it. It's so pretty. I adore it. I really do, honestly. I just can't stop twirling. But yeah, that was everything that I wanted to show you today. Thank you again to SHEIN for sponsoring this video and sending me all of the items. And thank you so much for watching. Again, everything that I shared with you in this video will be linked in the description box below, minus the patches. Like all the clothing items will be linked in the description box below, along with my special code CrystalEverdeen3, which you could use at checkout for 15% off your entire purchase. Thank you so much again for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.
These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.